Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important and urgent issues of our time, climate change. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step and explain it in the simplest way possible. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions on Earth. But what's causing these changes? It's mostly due to human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these fuels for energy, it releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the greenhouse effect. Think of Earth as a greenhouse for plants. Sunlight enters, warming the surface, but some of that heat tries to escape back into space. However, certain gases in the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap this heat, making the Earth warmer than it would otherwise be. While this effect is natural and necessary for life on Earth, human activities are increasing the concentration of these gases, which is intensifying the effect and causing the planet to heat up at an unprecedented rate. So what does this mean for us? Well, climate change leads to more extreme weather events. We're seeing more frequent and severe wildfires, powerful hurricanes, flooding in some areas, and droughts in others. One of the most visible effects is the melting of polar ice caps, which is causing sea levels to rise. This could threaten coastal cities and disrupt ecosystems that depend on ice and cold temperatures. Scientists have been studying the Earth's climate for decades, and the evidence is clear. Global temperatures have been rising since the 1800s, and the pace of warming has accelerated in recent decades. The concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased dramatically since the Industrial Revolution. In fact, the level of CO2 today is higher than it has been in at least 800,000 years. This increase correlates with the rise in global temperatures. So what can we do about it? The good news is there are solutions. First and foremost, we need to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Switching to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower can significantly cut down on greenhouse gas emissions. We can also make a difference by conserving energy in our daily lives, like turning off lights when we don't need them, using energy-efficient appliances, and driving less. But it's not just up to individuals. Governments and industries have a huge role to play. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, aim to limit global temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. And businesses are starting to adopt more sustainable practices, investing in clean energy, reducing waste, and cutting emissions. While the challenges are immense, the future isn't all doom and gloom. With the right actions, we can slow down the effects of climate change and build a more sustainable world for future generations. By working together, individuals, governments, and businesses, we can make a real impact. So what can you do? Start small, reduce, reuse, recycle, and make greener choices every day. But also, stay informed, advocate for change, and support policies that tackle climate change at the global level. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. It's a big help to our channel and a huge compliment to us. See you next time.